This is the Cricut Explore Air 2. This is everything that came inside the box, and I got this bundle from Amazon for around $310, and I'll link it down below. This bundle comes with a few helpful items to get you started, such as markers, vinyl materials, and some tools. It also has some storage down here, which is very convenient. I'll show you how easy it is to use and set up. Let's first connect the cords for some power. And connect the USB cable to your computer. Now go to the website cricut.com/setup and download the software. This video is not sponsored and it's only intended to help you make a decision when buying your Cricut. Install the software and create a free Cricut account. Select Smart Cutting Machine and then find your machine. Explore Air 2 wasn't on the list, but I figured that it worked with the Cricut Explore family option. This will take you through the steps that we just did, and finally it will do a quick update. Then it will ask you if you want to do a free trial, but you don't have to accept it in order to continue. And finally we can try it. So choose one of these images to try it out. I'm gonna choose the lips. Now let's jump to the machine. Select the material using the dial, in this case cardstock. Grab your sticky mat and place it in the upper left corner. Open your Explorer. Check that your blade is in position on the V-slot. Place the mat through the guides and slide it in until it touches the roller. Press the blinking arrow button for a quick cut test. Finally, press the blinking Cricut button to start. And now we just let it do its magic. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Is it Cricut or Cricut? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what kind of projects would you do with this, and also what would you like to see me create with this Explorer, and I will be more than happy to do it. When done, press the blinking arrows to stop it. Tool that best works for you and carefully peel off the pieces. you go, guys. You can see how easy it is to use and set up, and also very fun to work with. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button and subscribe. Also stay tuned for more upcoming videos.